How to verify your Facebook page. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. After you land to the menu page, scroll down, head towards this option of Help and Support, open it. Now click on the option of Help Center. Now over here you will find this search box. Type in Request a Verification Badge. Now click on this option Request a Verified Badge on Facebook. You can verify your Facebook account just for the verification badge, or you can meta verify your Facebook account. So, verified badges confirm that a notable account is the authentic presence for that person or brand. Likewise, meta verified is a paid subscription that confirms the account is validated and authentic. This subscription comes with a bundle of features and benefits available for both eligible profiles and businesses. If you just want to verify your Facebook page, you can come to this section and over here you'll find this option, fill out this form, click on it. Verify your page or profile, click on the option of page. Now you have to provide these information. Firstly, click on this drop down of page and select your Facebook page. Once you select it, now step 1, confirm authenticity. Click on this drop down and select your document type, and then click on this option of choose files and upload it. Step 2, confirm notability. Click on this drop down of category and select the category. Now over here type in your country name. Likewise, in the audience section, describe the people who follow your page or profile. When you scroll down, you'll find this section of links. Add up to 5 articles, social media accounts and other links that show your profile or page is in the public interest. After you fill all this, click on this option of send. With that, you have just requested for the verification of your Facebook page. In the case you want to get meta verified, come to the menu page. Now click on the settings icon. With that, you will land to the settings and privacy page. Now open your account center. Scrolling down, you will find the option of meta verified. Click on it and go through the process. To get meta verified on your Facebook account, you'll need to fulfill these requirements. You can just go through these requirements. If you fulfill this, you can apply for meta verification. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily verify a Facebook page. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.